in a few weeks. Not a few weeks, I think. Yeah, a few weeks. Who got the supplies? Because I don't even have a pencil. I decided to do this back to school look. Basically, back to hell. Let me tell you something. My school is such a bum ass place. Like, okay, if you live in New York City, you know that some schools have like 5 schools inside of the building or whatever. You guys don't understand how trash the school is. Anyways, most of the time people ask me, why you so late to school?
Why you always so late? Why you always so late?
Because I be coming like at 10 when my school starts at 8. Even though when I don't even do my makeup, I just go to school late.
Because I take hours to get my fucking things ready, to get my clothing and stuff. So
I don't even care about my hair. I will go to school with my hair like this. I mean, there's nothing wrong with my hair. Like, my hair looks fine. Okay? I mean, I wear glasses most of the time. Where are my glasses? Oh, baby. Ching, 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 ching. Let me know what other videos you want to see on this channel. And I hope you guys like it. People ask me, oh, why you wear makeup when you look nice for? Mind your business. I'm looking
All
at
my girls in the mix who tryna run up a check. Don't need a nigga for shit, especially not by no rent. If it don't make dollars, it don't make no sense. I like a nigga with bricks. Cocky bitch, yeah, I'm the shit. I done got fine, a flossy bitch in designer. I got these haters upset. These niggas love me, I think they obsessed. Chasing this money, I think I'm possessed. 7 days straight and I ain't had no rest. I'm going in, bitch, I sleep when I'm dead. Know a real nigga that's locked in the feds. I send them pictures and I send them bread. I will not let this fame get in my head. I'm up right now, these other bitches dead. I'm just out here on a mission. I'm just running. Went to prison, had no choice but to get it. Is she rapping, is she stripping? Bitches all in my business. Tell her catch me in the city. Perfect ass, perfect titties. We won't rent it, we won't rent it. I just started, I ain't finished. I gotta get it, yeah. I've been going so hard to go get my cake up. And I look good with no makeup. Yeah, bitch, I'm thick, got my weight up. I don't get fucked, I get ate up. I tell these little niggas straight up. It costs a bag, nigga, pay up. I am a 3, not a layup. Pull up on a nigga, then take some weight up. I just be chasing these benches on benches. 50s on top of these 20s. I hope she don't think she no Rennie. Cause this shit is real, ain't no gimme. I just been living my life like a movie. I hope she don't think she no Rucci. Cause you bought a little bit of Gucci. Should be sponsored by Nike, I do it. Pull up in a brand new Hellcat. Shitting on them, know you smell that. Ran it up, run and tell that. He fell in love, so I fell back. Play with me and get your shell cracked. If you got it, nigga, mail that. Got some niggas that'll sell that, but we ain't even gotta sell that. Your bitch try to test me, you better go pray for her. If she ain't that, I got spray for her. Wanted them titties, he paid for her. That shit ain't real, that shit fake love. He say he the plug, nigga, you gotta show me. I don't want love, I want money. Laugh to the bank, this shit funny. I make these niggas go for me. He a sweet lick, and he give up no pussy. You tryna see me, then book me. Vet in these streets ain't no rookie. All on my ass, yeah, they looking. These bitches big mad, all they niggas want Rucci. Killing the game, bitch, I'm Gucci. He make it rain, it's a movie. They tryna see how I'm moving. They tryna guess how I do it. Got these niggas all spending. Why these niggas won't rent it? Now they see a bitch getting it. Hottest bitch in the city. They can't even fuck with me. Realest bitch, $150. I'm just keeping shit a million. It ain't on me, bitches in me. I'm just putting on for my city. Yeah.